Hi, I'm Kevin Richardson. I'm the winner of Folksvagen's Fun Theory Award. My idea was the speed camera lottery. Could we get people to obey the speed limit through fun? I really believe that fun can change human behavior for the better, and I was really thrilled to see that my idea, which started as a scribble submitted into this competition, might even become reality. The speed camera lottery would do two things. One, it would photograph speeders, give them a citation, and that money goes in a pot. But if you're obeying the law, your picture will also get snapped. You'll be entered into a lottery and win some of that money from those speeders.
Jag kör alltid lagligt, men tveksamt om man vinner.
Det är ju en bra positiv grej det där. Kör lagligt och tjäna deg, det är perfekt.